We went rafting on the Natahala River with the people at Fast River Rafting.
Summer heat, right? Summer in the boat, summer in the water. On their mouth. Okay, so.
You said keep your hands on the paddle the whole time. No one's following that direction except me. Isn't it a nice, calm day to get on the rapids and cool off? I'm freezing cold!
Yeah. What's up?
Oh no! This is fun! Oh no!
Stop! Blast!
No!
Wow! Oh, maybe not that much.
Yay!
Yeah, that was fun though. And now we're gonna ride the wave train.
Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, I'm getting cold.
You don't take a break?
Oh man, I want to take this other foot out.
Jump rock, surfers rapping, got the bumps, a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, here it goes! Oh, I mean, well, you gotta start swimming. Whenever you jump in the water, just kind of start swimming towards the boat. And trip on this rock. If you can't quite overpower the current, that's okay. Just keep swimming. I'm gonna get a little bit down, like 10 feet deep there. You shouldn't hit any rocks or anything. You just jump right out. And it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna warn you. Whenever you hit the water, it's gonna shock you.
I'm shivering.
Are you cold?
You're about to be colder.
Yeah, you're about to. Let it go. Don't look back. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, come on over. There you go. Oh yeah, just like that. Look at Michael Phelps. Woohoo! Yeah! Awesome. Oh, we got one now.
You can buy pictures of yourself at the store. So here's what we looked like when we went on the Natahala Falls. I want to say a big thanks to Fast River Rafting for being such a great company. Their guided tour really made me feel like I got a personal experience that I wouldn't have got anywhere else. I want to say a big thanks to Jay because he got me into the river, he got me wet, and he got me out safe. Thanks a lot, buddy. If you're thinking about going on this Natahala River stuff, then check down in the comments down below and you'll find a bunch of great links. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below.